Today I'm going to share with you a new method for caring for orchids. Just 1 spoonful a week is enough to strengthen the root system, improve nutrient absorption, and promote healthy flower stalk formation. Start caring for your orchids naturally and correctly, and you'll see a noticeable difference. I prepared a clean container to mix the nutrient solution for the plants. I used dried green tea leaves because green tea contains compounds that help inhibit fungi and support natural antibacterial properties. I took about 2 tablespoons of dried green tea leaves and put them in the container. In addition, green tea helps orchids recover and stimulates growth. Then I pour in about 500 milliliters of boiling water. Boiling water helps extract the active ingredients in the tea better. The solution will be filtered and diluted before use on the plant, ensuring safety for the roots and leaves. Cover tightly with a lid and a towel to allow the nutrients to dissolve in the water. Let it steep for 1 hour. After an hour, the green tea solution had completely cooled and the active ingredients had been extracted into the water. I stirred it again to ensure the solution was uniform, then prepared another clean container for filtration. I used a sieve or filter cloth to remove all the tea residue, keeping only the clear liquid. After filtration, we have a clean green tea solution, ready for dilution and use in caring for orchids. Next, I set aside a quantity of filtered green tea solution. Using a soft cotton ball, I soaked it in the solution and began applying it directly to the orchid. I bring the plant inside to begin the care process. First, I wipe the top surface of the leaves to remove accumulated dust and dirt. Then I turn the leaves over and wipe the underside more thoroughly, as this is where mold often grows. When wiping, I use even strokes, avoiding harsh scrubbing to prevent damage to the leaf epidermis. The green tea solution helps clean the surface, supports mold control, and improves leaf color if the plant is yellowing due to weakness. I maintain this routine about once every 2 weeks. When the leaves are clean and well ventilated, photosynthesis is more efficient and the plant will recover faster. If done regularly, slightly yellowed leaves will gradually regain their green color. Mold will be significantly reduced and the leaf surface will be cleaner. After completing the leaf wiping step, I move on to the next care step to support the root system and overall plant growth. At this stage, I switch to the method of directly spraying the nutrient solution. I put the green tea solution into a spray bottle and sprayed it evenly over all the leaves. I sprayed the upper surface to remove any remaining dirt, and especially the underside where mold usually thrives. When sprayed as a fine mist, the solution adheres evenly to the leaf surface and gradually penetrates through the epidermis, supporting the plant's metabolic processes. Healthy leaves nourish healthy roots, and healthy roots lead to stable plant growth. I continued to use the remaining solution to water the roots and growing medium directly. This helps the roots absorb nutrients from below, creating a balance between nourishing the leaves and the roots. Next, I water the orchid directly with a solution, covering the entire root system. I water slowly and evenly to allow the solution to penetrate deep into the growing medium. As the roots absorb nutrients from below, the plant will transport them to the stem and leaves. Nourishing from the roots is always more sustainable and stable. This solution not only helps control bacteria and fungi, but also creates conditions for the root system to become more active. When the roots are healthy, their ability to absorb water and nutrients increases, leading to faster recovery and noticeable growth. After watering, I soak the pot for about 20 minutes to allow the growing medium to absorb enough moisture. Proper root fertilization helps keep the growing medium cleaner, reduces fungal recurrence, and promotes stable orchid growth from within. After soaking the pot for about 20 minutes, I use a clean cotton cloth to wipe all the leaves, especially the leaf axils where water easily accumulates. If excess water accumulates there, the high humidity will create conditions for mold to grow again. With this proper care process, maintaining it every 2 weeks with a nutrient solution, the plant will recover noticeably. The leaves will turn green again, the surface will be clean and bright. When the leaves are healthy, the risk of fungal diseases and insects is also significantly reduced. After the pot is dried, I remove the plant and place it in an area of the garden with good ventilation and slightly stronger diffuse light to enhance photosynthesis. On normal days between nutrient treatments, I only mist and water with clean filtered water to maintain moisture. After a period of proper care, you can see a very clear change. The root system is developed strongly, with thick roots growing around the rim of the pot and filling the growing medium. The root tips are green, plump, and healthy, a sign that the plant has truly recovered. The previous mold spots have been completely controlled. The leaves are no longer diseased, their surface is green again, and they have a natural shine. Next, the plant begins to push out a new stem, with a red shoot clearly emerging. This is the stage where the plant accumulates enough strength and enters the flowering cycle. The stem grows straight, strong, and evenly. Not just one plant, but the plants in the garden also begin to show buds. The flower buds are plump and developing uniformly. This is the result of controlled care at the right time and in the right way. With a strong root system, green leaves, and a stable environment, a spectacular bloom is only a matter of time. I hope this video helps you better care for your orchids at home. If you find it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more simple and natural orchid care tips.